Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on Saturday announced that a complete lockdown without any concession will be enforced in the state for 1 week from May 24th. To enable the public to prepare themselves for this intensified lockdown, all shops will be open till 9 pm on Saturday, and similarly, all shops can function on Sunday, that is May 23rd, between 6 am and 9 pm. In the interest of those who are moving to their hometowns, private and government buses will be allowed to operate on Saturday and Sunday. Only pharmacies, country drugstores, veterinary pharmacies, milk supply, drinking water supply, supply of newspapers will be allowed during the intensified lockdown. Vegetables and fruits will be supplied to the public through the Horticulture Department in Chennai and through vehicles in all districts. At the Secretariat and in the districts, departments of essential services alone will be functioning. Employees of private companies, banks, insurance companies, and information technology firms are requested to work from home. E-commerce entities can function from 8 am to 6 pm. Takeaway services alone will be allowed in hotels between 6 am and 10 am, 12 noon and 3 pm, and 6 pm and 9 pm. Entities like Swiggy and Zomato can deliver food during these hours. Petrol and diesel bunks will be functioning as usual. ATM and related services will be available. Inter-district travel will be allowed only for attending last rides with e-pass. No need for e-registration for travel within the district if the person has genuine medical reasons. Meanwhile, press and media can function as usual.